Welcome back to Deck Builders Louisville, the podcast created to help Louisville homeowners make smart decisions about their outdoor spaces with Tuff Deck Builders Louisville. Today's topic is choosing the right deck material for Kentucky weather, and why this choice has such a big impact on how your deck looks and performs over time. Living in Louisville means dealing with humidity, heavy rain, strong sun, and temperature swings. That combination can be tough on any outdoor structure. When you work with professional deck builders Louisville, one of the first conversations is often about material options and how they respond to local conditions. The goal is to choose a material that fits your lifestyle, your budget, and the way you want your deck to age. Some homeowners focus mainly on the upfront price, but material choice is really about long-term value. Certain options may require more regular staining, sealing, or cleaning to maintain their appearance and structural integrity. Others are designed to minimize maintenance and stand up better to moisture and UV exposure. A trusted deck building company, Louisville, will help you compare these trade-offs so you are not surprised a few years down the road. Comfort and appearance are just as important. The way a deck surface feels underfoot on a hot summer day, how it handles standing water, and how it resists fading, all influence how much you enjoy the space. When you are searching for deck builders near me, make sure you choose a team that explains these details clearly and offers materials that match the way you plan to use your deck. No matter what you choose, proper installation is critical. Even the best materials can underperform if they are not installed with attention to drainage, ventilation, and structural support. That is where working with experienced deck builders Louisville gives you peace of mind. The right foundation, framing, and fastening methods help your deck handle Kentucky weather and stay safe for everyday use and special gatherings. If you are thinking about a new deck or replacing an older one, this is the perfect time to talk through material options with Tuff Deck Builders Louisville. Visit tuffdeckbuilderslouisville.com to explore services and request more information, and follow at Tuff Deck Builders Louisville on Instagram for project inspiration and ideas. When you are ready to take the next step, call 502-677-4691 to schedule a consultation and choose the right deck material for your Louisville home.